Good morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of why organization should need the health safety at workplace. This is a important questions about the health safety management at workplace. Question is why environment health safety management system should be an organizations. There is three types of summarized by ILO why need to health safety management by an organization because of three reasons. First is financial reason is very important because of that if any organizations going to tendering and tenders related the construction company and any residential buildings, commercial buildings, if your organization going to tendering, their budget should be limited. Budget will be limited to profit and loss. Suppose that you have tenders 1 crore rupees and there is all budget including the safety equipment resources, everything will be there consider on 1 crore rupees. If any loss related the health safety negligence and any accident happen at workplace, that is a most effective at organization because of this is a there is a limited of budgets approval and tendered by clients, so need to be fix everything in his budget. So guys, if you are not follow the safety rules regulations at workplace, that may be chance to happen any serious accident at your workplace. And financials, that if accident happen at workplace, there is a secured cost, direct cost and indirect cost. Direct cost, if any accident happen, direct cost will be 30 more times effective if, rather than safety precautions at workplace, like one workers not using safety belt or not providing safety belts due to low budgets. If worker working continuous at workplace and work at height, there is no provision of safety belt, that may be chance to fall from height, then that if fatality happen at your workplace, then direct cost will be very high because of if accident happen, then medical treatment cost. After that your rectifications and work if workers are working from height, and workers sick pay, this is also direct cost. After that sick pay, and someday your loss of manpower's loss of day work day. Suppose that accident happen, maybe 2-3 day work stoppage by the government body. The second things, government body will be come your side and visit and know that required to incident investigation reports, that may be spent on time accident investigations times, like the all staffs and managerial levels. After that hospitalizations spent, and worker sick pay, that all are considered about the direct cost related the accident. So that will be if workers major accident happen to 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh, more than medical bill will become for your organization purpose, and also your budget not budget that is 1 crore, there is maybe chance of 1-2 crore rupees spent on the accident and due to negligence of safety and fatal accident happen at your workplace. So guys, and this is also direct cost, indirect cost. You know that a government body legals issue, if you have not compliant the safety requirements, that may be chance of penalized by government. Insurance, if you have a insurance, that may be chance to, if you have insurance, then cover to your medicals bills and other things. But your work productivity investment of your time in due to accident investigations by all staffs, and some workers leave from your side because of after accidents. Many workers fear related the accidents, so maybe chance to retrained workers came against at your workplace, and then retrainings, that all are cost in insecure indirect cost will be considered about the accident. So guys, if you have if any organization have taken the safety precautions at workplace, because of that financial region is most effective to organization and maybe defect your organization. Second thing, moral regions means any organizations start the work that is a moral regions, because of they have many people's work came from other states, because of they have leave his family and comes into organization for work purpose. If you have not providing proper safety gears, safety protective equipments, and not protect with the hazards and risk, that may be chance to his family, that may be chance to injured and any accidents face in your organization. So this is a moral responsibility as a familiar. If you have any workers working at site, then need to be thinking about that this is my family, he is my all, they all are my familiars, because of they have lived to his family in our native place and come in our organization for work purpose. So this is a moral responsibility to everyone's, because of that for example some accident happen at on road, there is many people and no persons save the human lives, because of this is a human life, this is a moral responsibility to anyone save the lives in accident happen on road, and get and pick up to further sent to hospitals by any unknown persons. This is a moral responsibility to human life, because of this is because it is a human behaviors, and this is a moral responsibility to organizations and any organization with juniors and middle staffs also. That this is a moral responsibility to save human life at workplace. Second thing, legal responsibility. That legal responsibility and legal regions also consider related the health safety management system, because that if you are driving the bike, then you need to be helmets, because of help. If you are wearing helmet, then save your life. If you are some persons not wearing helmet, because of this is not this is a overconfident to we have no any more accident happen while driving at bike. But some reason there is a legal reasons as per government make a rules, helmet should be need while driving the bikes, because of some traffic police was there, and was there some people so going to helmet carry on bike. If you are seeing there is a standby traffic police, then wear helmet, because of this is a reason, legal, this is a legal reasons, because of if traffic police found without helmet, that may be penalized some amounts. So this is a legal reason to follow the safety rules at workplace, so that same as it in construction company, there is a legal reason as per BOCW Act, as per Factory Act, also maintain in the safety precautions should be there if you are going to any established organization at workplace. So legal reason, three reason for main effective and most effective to implement health safety management system at workplace by any employer and organizations, due to three reasons: moral, financial, moral, and legal responsibility. Second thing, the value of health safety management at workplace. This is also considered about the why safety management and needs and organizations. Value of safety management to company, because of what is value of safety management by safety management to a company. Why we are going to take a proactively safety management system at workplace? So this is a safety is a part of work. If you are working, if you any have organization established, then safety part of work, because of if you not follow the safety rules regulation, then not any target achievements, because of in the way some accident happen, then your also productive will be lost, and moral will be lost, there legal penalty will be there. So this is a important to safety at workplace, and everyone think about the safety first, and work is must, because of this is a example, safety is first, and production will be must production should be must at workplace. So equal responsibility taken by any organizations, engineer, supervisors, and top managements, and over their safety. After that take make a proper safety rule systems like procedures, policy, and risk assessments at workplace. They all have control your health safety, reduce the hazards, reduce of risk at your workplace. So guys, follow the safety rules by an organization, due to everyone thinking about our environment will be safe, and a safe healthy cultures make during the work. This is a also boost up of the workers responsibility, boost the supervisor responsibility, and develop morals and responsibility and organizations, because of that there is too many organizations working like construction work, but some organizations are also not given value to safety, because of more productivity should want to more productivity, but some organizations follow the safety and quality, and develop your organizations proactively. But organizations value will be very high if you are taking the safety and quality. You know that one brand of L&T also, you know that L&T organizations, there is make a value and develop a value and trusted in market because of their have proactively working workings and proper value given value given by organizations related the safety and quality, and also taking moral responsibility during the work. There is nothing any compromise related the human life, so that today L&T is very most trusted organizations in real estate company. So this is also effect, it is also effect to organizations if you are going to take proactively safety measures and safety value of safety at work and organization. You know that there is happened one accident in Pune. This is a very highlighted, five six people died death on a spot because of this is a some there is a some negligence of staff. There is some root cause will be there not considered about the health safety, so that today a five tens family missing his family. So this is important to follow a safety, and also safety is a part of work. So guys, thanks.